everyone, and welcome back to Anne's Family Recipe. Today I'm making a copycat recipe for Chick-fil-A's Peppermint Bark Milkshake. I know a lot of people look forward to specialty coffee drinks this time of year, but my kids and I celebrate the arrival of the Peppermint Bark Milkshake at Chick-fil-A. So I thought I would recreate these at home. I found this Peppermint Bark ice cream at Aldi grocery store, and if you can't find this or you don't have an Aldi, I looked online and Target has a Peppermint Bark ice cream, Haagen-Dazs brand sells Peppermint Bark, and I know Turkey Hill sells peppermint, so you could always throw in some white chocolate chips to that too. I want to take a minute to tell you about my favorite ice cream scoop. I discovered this through the YouTube channel Entertaining with Beth, and I'm going to link this for you below because there is a liquid core inside of this ice cream scoop that heats up from the warmth of your hand, and it makes the perfect scoop of ice cream. For the milkshakes, I added 8 scoops of the Aldi Peppermint Bark ice cream into my blender. So this is a peppermint flavored ice cream with little white chocolate chips in it. Peppermint bark is typically a combination of both white chocolate and dark chocolate, so I grabbed a bag of mini semi-sweet chocolate chips and I added a 1/4 cup of these into my blender. Next, I added in 1 cup of milk. I just have 2% in my fridge and that worked just fine. And then I put the lid on and blended this up. My blender comes with a stick that I can use to help make sure everything's mixing evenly because sometimes the ingredients inside will get a little bit stuck and they need some assistance stirring up again. And you can absolutely add a little more ice cream or milk depending on the consistency you want for your milkshakes, but I thought this came out nice and thick, very similar to the Chick-fil-A milkshakes. For garnish, I added whipped cream and a cherry, and then I took a candy cane and put it in a little Ziploc bag, and I just used my meat mallet and very gently bashed this up into little shards of candy cane that I could sprinkle all over top. We have these smoothie straws, which are extra wide. I'll link those for you below as well. You can find them on Amazon. I actually bought these when I made homemade bubble tea for my kids, but they work perfectly for thick milkshakes, especially ones with fillings inside, so nothing gets stuck in your straw. My daughter added a miniature candy cane on the side of her glass, which I thought was super cute. These tasted just like the Chick-fil-A Peppermint Bark Milkshakes. You're gonna love them. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram at Anne's Family Recipe, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked my Peppermint Bark Milkshake recipe today. Thank you so much for joining me here in my kitchen, and Merry Christmas!